In example 7, we want to integrate the sine of the cube root of x dx. Well, if that cubed root wasn't there, this would be an easy integral. So I'd like to get rid of that cubed root. So that's indicating I probably want to do a rationalizing substitution here. So I'm going to let my u be the cube root of x. And now if we cube both sides, u cubed will be x. And then take the differential of x, so then my dx is going to be the derivative of u cubed, which is 3u squared, and then times du. And so now we can change this integral over. So this is the integral of sine of u, and then that dx is 3u squared du. So now I've got a polynomial times a trig function. That is indicating an integration by parts, and then also my power is second degree here, so that's going to be 2 integration by parts. So I think for this one I am going to use the tabular method for integration by parts. So we want a differentiation column and an integration column, and your differentiation column is always going to be your polynomial. So 3u squared here, and our integration column will be the sine of u. And so I'm going to differentiate this down to 0. So differentiate once, I get 6u, then 6, then 0. I do repeated integrals on the sine. So integral of sine is negative cosine u. Integral of negative cosine u is negative sine u. And integral of negative sine u is cosine u. And you can check on going back the other way. If you start with cosine, derivative's negative cosine, negative sine, then negative cosine, and then sine again. This sometimes is helpful too. This is a differentiation integration wheel for the sine and cosine functions. So remember that sine is the y-coordinate on the unit circle. So positive y-coordinate at the top of the y-axis there. And then at the bottom, I am going to put negative sine. And cosine's the x-coordinate on the unit circle. It's positive over here, and it's negative over here. And if you go clockwise there, that's derivative with respect to x. And if you go counterclockwise, that is your antiderivative with respect to x. So we are starting at sine and going counterclockwise. So sine, negative cosine, negative sine, and back to cosine. And that's what I did here. We need our alternating sign pattern here, plus, minus, plus. And then we take the diagonal products. And that's our answer. So this will be 3u squared times negative cosine u. So that will be minus 3u squared cosine u. Double negative will make a positive, so plus 6u sine u. And then plus 6 cosine u. And then plus our constant. And then we need to reverse the substitution and put cube root of x back in. So here it'll be cube root of x squared. So negative 3. A cube root squared is the same as a 2/3 power. So second power third root. Cosine cube root of x plus 6. U is cube root of x. Sine of cube root of x. And then plus 6 cosine cube root of x is our u. And plus our constant. And we've got it.